Hi everybody.
Hi, sir.
Okay, so today you are going to have a debate, and your debate topic is love marriage or arranged marriage. I would love to tell you some rules of this debate. You are not allowed to cut others' sentences. The first rule. Second rule is you are not allowed to speak in more than six sentences. The third rule is if you do not speak a single word in the debate, you will be out of the game. And the last will remain, and he will be the winner of this debate. Alright?
Yes,
so wish
sir.
you all the best and start your debate, love marriage or arranged marriage.
According to a survey, arranged marriage is better than love marriage. So I want to suggest to everyone do arranged marriage.
Nowadays, everyone is independent. Whatever they want, they can do. No need to follow our family rules and regulations.
Love marriage is not bigger than an arranged marriage, because if we do arranged marriage, then our parents also will support.
Okay. I think that love marriage is better than arranged marriage because in love marriage the couple learn how to become an independent, because most of the time they are separated and hence they can tackle any problem. So I think that love marriage is better than
Independency is not matter for us. Matter for us take care of our family. Which persons are doing arranged marriage, they also take care of their family. That's important.
Nowadays, no one has much time to understand each other. So we have to, in a love marriage, they before the marriage they understand each other better.
We are new generation. We only see who is the best or who is the smart, who has much money. So we accept him. It is not better for us.
Okay, Mr. Santosh, I really highlight my point that in love marriage we can also care of our parents. It is not necessary that we should marriage love we should do arranged marriage. In love marriage we can also take care of our family.
But which kind of respect get to parents after arranged marriage? That kind of respect no anybody gets till in love marriage.
Nowadays, it's not a matter. It's different because nowadays our society will not take care of us. If something is happened with love marriage, arranged marriage, so society will not take care of that.
Our parents know better than who is the best for our life, because if they will choose our for life, they will good for us.
Okay, Mr. Nazar Alam, I really respect your point because your point is really good. But from my side, please repeat your
Our
sentence.
parents better know about our life.
Yes. Okay, I think that we are able to choose our partner. So it is not necessary that our parents should choose
Our
their
family,
partner for us.
our family is not pressurizing to us. They say to us, choose your own partner. Which do you like? They are not pressurizing to us.
I never saw if any love couple who never ask two parents we are going to marry. So they always who is going to marry they take permission from first parents.
My friend, we have seen many times 80% love marriage people they broke partnership in our life.
See, the couple is really capable, really perfect for each other. Means both are doing job or both are educated. Then I think that their parents will accept their relationship.
According a survey, which persons did love marriage, they became selfish after love marriage. We should think about it.
I think that's not a good thing because if you are do love marriage because of that you committed to her, you understanding it better to her. That's why you go for marriage. Otherwise you can separate before the marriage.
Your parents know if you are educated person, you know that our parents is better, because if you are doing if you want to love marriage, so if you ask our parents, if you will perfect your life, your parents also said it is right, you can do it.
Yes, that is
Out of it.
love marriage.
More than
But
6 sentences.
I wanted to continue his point. He wanted to highlight that point. Our parents knows our better life and better future. We should trust on them.
In love marriage, uh, social obligations can be frustrated because of that. There are no such time for social work. In love marriage, they understood before the 2-3 year back, so they can do some social work also.
It's our job to do some social obligations for India. And if we get chance by love marriage, so we should do love marriage.
But in love marriage, there is no such time with the family, because there are some lot of work to family. So who is in family background, there is no such time to do for country.
Suppose to one girl or boy is in relation, so this is not a good way to they are understanding each other. They have only attraction. This is not understanding things.
No, I am not accepting your point, because of the attraction is different way. Before when someone is going for marriage, that commitment and understanding is more important as compared to attraction.
According to expert views and like that opinions, who did love marriage, which have only physical attraction.
It may be chance, but after 4 years, 3 years, there is no attraction. There is only some feelings with each other. That's a very important thing to do go for marriage.
But our parents know better, and they are giving us permission to choose correct girl for you or boy.
Might be parents will be right, but if you are able to choose your perfect partner, you are well settled, and so you can decide whatever you want.
If our parent has only one expectation, it's our job to fulfill their requirements.
Parents don't want to say to her child, go do as what I want. They say, now you are become mature, do as what you know better.
Maturity is not matter. Experience is matter. They have lots of experience, and by this experience, they are telling to us to love arranged marriage.
Parents is telling to child, if you get proper or perfect girl, so you can do married.
How can you know anybody within 1 month? It's not possible.
No, I am not telling a 1 month. I am telling for 3 year, 4 year. Before in a 1 month, no one can do married.
Suppose you will do breakup with that girl or boy, what will happen with you? Nothing.
No, if it's better if you get married with arranged marriage, and after 1 month, 2 months you get divorced. So what will happen with her?
Suppose if we will get any problems, our senior and our parents will be help to us. But if we will do love marriage, it's not
And
possible.
same thing
in
will
love
happen
marriage.
with love marriage, because here we have lots of friends. So they can get compromised with us.
Compromises is not matter. We are mature, so we can understand each other's feelings and requirements. So we can easily fulfill it in arranged marriage.
Yes, we are
No need to
mature.
do love marriage.
If we are obviously we are mature. That's why, because we did married. So there is no complication, because in love marriage they know very well to each other. If someone is doing something, so she or he understand what is he want to us.
Understanding is not matter here.
No,
Care is matter. If we did arranged marriage, so we are taking more care because we don't know about each other.
in love marriage, first point is come feeling, understanding, commit, and care. All those required things comes. That's why they get go for further.
When we can live happily, when our parents are happy, that time we can live our life happily. Because of that, we should do.
All right, your time is over. You are really doing well. but we do not have more time. You can have some conclusion within 1 minute.
According to me, if we want to fulfill our parents' expectations, and because our parent has only some choices and some requirements from and we took lots of from our parents, and it's so important to give to them some little bit of things. That's all. Because of that, we should do arranged marriage. That's all. Thank you.
According to my conclusion is that if you are going for marriage, you have to promise her. You will you have to commit it to her, and you have to understand well to her.
Okay, that's great. Wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.